When we think about ads, they come in all shapes and sizes. First up, we have display ads, those eye-catching banners you see online. They're designed to grab your attention and often lead you to a website. Then, there are social media ads, which are tailored to your interests based on your online behavior. Ever noticed how an ad pops up just when you're thinking about a product? That's no coincidence. Next, we have video ads. These can be super engaging, often telling a story in just a few seconds. Think about those clever commercials during your favorite shows. And let's not forget about native ads, which blend seamlessly into the content you're consuming, making them feel less like ads and more like part of the experience. Finally, there are influencer ads, where personalities promote products to their followers. It's all about trust and relatability. Each type of ad serves a unique purpose, but they all